guide evidence-based practice and research. And it works pretty well. It's used across the country, but there were some limitations that the council was finding was pretty apparent with using the Iowa model. It wasn't really specific to some of our needs. It didn't speak to the IRB, for example. So it was great for evidence-based practice and navigating, but it didn't really differentiate research and evidence-based practice and the steps you need to take in the research process. So we worked together to start developing our own model. And interestingly enough, 3 years ago, when the Magnet site visitors were here and the Research Council was sitting in our meeting with the visitors, one of the questions was, why don't you have your own model of research? Why are you using someone else's model? You're going to be 3 times Magnet designated. You're very well along the journey and you're very sophisticated, and it's time. And we're like, well, it just so happens we're working on that. And so over the course of the next couple of years, the Research Council finalized a draft of a new model and then spent a year doing a pilot research study to test the model step by step. And we made tweaks along the way. You may remember the study. It was a survey that went out to nurses that looked at knowledge, attitudes, perceptions related to nursing research. Questions like, nursing research makes me sick to my stomach. Remember those questions? So that was the study, and we are in the process of rolling out the findings from that study, and we just this week got great news. Wendy Boggs is our lead author, and we'll be presenting with Barbara